It's been a long day. Day 5 with the Pro. Charged all day. Had to use water bottles and a bunch of stuff. And how do we get rid of that glare? Hang on. Yeah, that's better. So what we want to do is take it out of sleep mode. Yep, that's fine. Airplane mode on, and brightness, kick it up. So after a long day, still at 80%, 408 lux hours, which I think is pretty darn good. And then if we scroll down, we can get an average. So I'm averaging 168 the first week with this watch. And then the step count today, 11,000. Not bad, not bad. It imported all my other stats, which is nice. No lag, really quick navigation, really liking the watch. The torch, ultra bright, brighter than the 7X. And yet it still has that bug where even after 400 lux and a ton of charging, the battery did not increase. And here's the fix. We power it down. And while I power it off, I'll show you something. Now we need to turn back on my light. So it's a pretty tough looking watch, but it already scuffed, even though it says titanium. I mean, it's really subtle. In fact, now you can barely see it. But I have to be really careful when I'm charging this outside because, you know, you put it on a rock or something and you will scuff that. I scuffed the last Fēnix that I had, but the rest of the bezel is looking, well, mint condition. Love the orange, love the detail. Ah, there we go. Now you can kind of see the scratch right there by the word meters. Yeah, and just the right lighting. I tried to buff it out and that didn't work. Yeah, I don't know what I scratched it on, but somehow, yeah, it got scratched. Oh, this is Proto Arc. It's a foldable keyboard that I'm testing. I'll have a full video on this soon. It's pretty cool. All right, let's power it back on. And then you'll see the cool splash screen. Yeah, that does look pretty cool, actually. Okay, kill the lights. Maybe if I have no lights on, then we can get rid of all the glare. There we go. No more glare. Problem fixed. I'm guessing it's going to be 83%. Nope. It didn't go up at all. Well, that's disappointing. That's really disappointing. Even after, well, I mean, I did use it today, but I didn't do any GPS workouts. It should have gone up at least 2%. Wow, that's really disappointing. Okay, I'm going to go to bed. Good night. Garmin, I really hope you fix that bug, because by noon earlier today, it should have showed me an increase in battery life. I was really hoping I could get this to read infinity battery life, but all right, good night.